Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Risk Management Strategy for wealth protection. To begin with, dividend investing is not only about earning regular income. It is also about protecting your capital, reducing unnecessary risk, and building a portfolio that can survive market ups and downs. First, set your income goal clearly. Decide how much dividend income you want monthly or yearly, and then match that goal with your risk tolerance. For example, a conservative investor may prefer stable companies, whereas a higher-risk investor may accept more volatility for higher income potential. Next, diversify your holdings across different sectors and asset types. Instead of depending on only one company or one industry, spread your investments across multiple dividend stocks, ETFs, and defensive assets. This helps reduce the damage if one stock or sector performs badly. After that, check dividend safety before investing. Look at the payout ratio, compare dividends with company earnings, and review free cash flow. If a company is paying more than it can afford, the dividend may not be safe in the long run. Then, review the quality of the business. A strong dividend company should have consistent revenue, stable profits, manageable debt, and good interest coverage. In other words, the business should be able to generate enough cash to support both operations and shareholder payments. In addition, study the dividend history carefully. A company with a stable or growing dividend record usually shows better discipline, whereas frequent dividend cuts or suspensions can be a warning sign. Consistency is often more important than chasing the highest yield. Furthermore, control your portfolio risk with proper position sizing. Do not allow one stock to become too large in your portfolio. Rebalance when needed, keep some cash available, and avoid becoming overexposed to one company or sector. At the same time, monitor warning signs regularly. Rising debt, falling cash flow, weak earnings, sector pressure, and unusually high dividend yield can all signal higher risk. A very high yield may look attractive, but sometimes it means the market is expecting trouble. Finally, protect and adjust your portfolio over time. Reassess your holdings, replace weakening dividend positions, reinvest selectively, and hold cash when the market looks uncertain. The main goal is to protect capital while maintaining reliable income. Overall, a strong dividend risk management strategy focuses on sustainable payout ratios, positive free cash flow, manageable debt, diversification, reliable dividend history, and reasonable valuation. On the other hand, investors should be careful with high-risk red flags such as falling earnings, rising debt, repeated dividend cuts, and business models under pressure. In conclusion, protecting dividend income is not only about chasing yield. It is about preserving capital, managing risk, and owning durable businesses that can support long-term wealth protection. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.